The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. A quote from Mark Twain. When we look at innovation, who is driving this? Is it AI, big data, machine learning? No, it's driven by humans. But our school system is not based on innovation, it is based on copying and repeating, not resulting in engines of innovation, but in 2D smarts. The new 3D smarts act on their talents and beliefs, work from there. They use information sources that are available online, social media, videos, YouTube, much more than traditional sources of knowledge. The 3D smarts watch more than they read. The 3D smarts take action. They experiment, they try, they fail, they learn, and they start over again. If you follow your heart, find meaning in your life, and act, then the brain makes new connections, creates dopamine, and that makes you happy. So, we have to develop training, not instruction, based on talent and passion. We have to educate the heart, take action, and learn from our mistakes. That way, we are happy, lifelong learners and innovators. And happiness leads to money, not the other way around. So, find your passion, talent, and meaning in life. Use the abundance of online information. Take action and become a happy 3D smart.